na nababo kabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to our vlog. We used to roam around Pampanga and discover great places for everyone to check out. But today, since it's quarantine, we help businesses promote their products and services through our review from home and share it to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we got a food package from Anna Baker PH, and this is a box of cookies, but I don't have any idea kung ano yung nasa loob niya. So check out this package, guys. It's so neatly packaged. It's like parang regalo na rin na pang special. Anyway, so let's open it up. What? Check it. Alright, so let's talk about the cookie flavors in this box. So we have a flavor of chocolate chip walnut. It's a mixture of milk and 50% cacao. We also have dark chocolate chip walnut. And then meron din tayong cookies and cream. So white cream plus Oreo. And then the last one is the triple chocolate. Wow. Let's talk about some obvious observations. Actually guys, yung isang cookie in diameter is like 4 inches. So sa weight naman guys, according to Miss Anna, these cookies are averaging 6 ounces each. And she told me na ang inspiration niya dito sa mga cookies na to is when she traveled New York. Did you know that Anna Baker PH is the only baking business that sells 150 pesos per piece ng cookie na to? Imagine that. This could have been really, really special. Isa lang ang titikman ko dito for now, just for this vlog. But if you're interested to find out how special these cookies are, make sure to check out Anna Baker PH. Let's support local. Let me taste this. Cookies and cream. White cream plus Oreo. Oh, look at that. This is really, really heavy and huge. This is so sinful, but I gotta do it for you guys. Let me taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is really satisfying. To give you my opinion, yung cookie bread niya guys is not that sweet. I mean, hindi siya nakakauma yung tamis niya. And then yung Oreo cookies added crunchy texture pa while you're eating it. And then what I like about it is really overloaded with Oreo, which I really like. Wow, I can't stop eating this. Oh wow, it's sarap. Just trying one, I think the rest are really, really worth trying. But then again guys, I appreciate your time. I would just like to share again this great product from Anna Baker PH. If you wanna buy from Miss Anna, again the fan page is flashing on your screen right now. Yeah, hopefully you can enjoy this as well. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Lali guys, let me try this one. Let me try this one before I leave. Just this one. Wow. Walnuts and chocolate. Tandem forever.